Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Quick look at XRP here today then. As always, please do like and subscribe, it really helps out the channel. Just hit those buttons down below. And then without further ado, let's take a quick look at the chart today. We can see obviously, after playing out that very nice trade last week that I did come to here, the breakout back inside and above this 0.23 Fibonacci level. Obviously we were in a bit of a downtrend for XRP here, so I was expecting a rejection here and a continuation, but we obviously got stopped out at a little bit of a loss here on this small short position that I took here. But as we came back and retested this area, I did take a long position, as you can see, and it ran pretty much straight up to the profit target, which was that previous level of resistance, which is currently this bear market resistance from the previous bear market. You can see each time that we've touched this, we have got rejected. We got rejected here, came back inside the range here, as you can see, big double rejection, double top kind of formation here, rolled all the way down to the last key level of support, which was this swing high here, flipped into support. Very nice to see. And then you can see here we're in a little bit of a, descending wedge maybe kind of formation for XRP. And then really all that's happened since then is got the bounce off the low, we got the breakout of this little bit here, reversal of the downtrend, run up to that overall target, take profit, absolutely smashed. And then now getting a little bit of a rejection here. I am looking for XRP maybe to push higher. You got the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is your fifth wave, maybe coming up, make a new higher high. That would be really nice to see. But right now XRP, I mean, it's just been consolidating for about a year now, really, hasn't it, in this little area down here. But with bullish news coming out about the SEC case all the time, it seems unlikely to me that XRP is not going to break out of this area pretty soon, especially if we do see Bitcoin heading up again. Obviously Bitcoin right now chilling well into the 20Ks, which is very nice to see indeed. And right now I'd say overall we're just gearing up for that next bull market over the next year, aren't we? Consolidating, boring, everyone's losing interest, and that's usually the best time to buy, typically, in terms of the past, not financial advice of course. But pretty obvious to me that when things are the most boring, this is when you should be buying. Obviously people do tend to buy it when things are already up massive amounts. But as always with XRP, I've got a long-term bag. Right now I'm just waiting for the next key level to get tested so I can look at taking a trade. So that is it for today guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.